Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to make a 3D staircase. Now for this first set units, human enter units. This is engineering, P is 0. This is okay. So press okay. Now set limits, limits limits. Now lower corner set 0, comma 0. The upper set 50, comma 50. Now we are going to make a top view of a staircase. So press enter line. Suppose width of the staircase be 3 feet. So enter 3 feet, enter. Now we are going to offset this. Offset should be equal to straight width. So the straight width be 10 inch. Enter. Now 1, 2. You may offset this line according to your requirement of staircase. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Suppose this side this much. Now for landing, we have to offset this greater or equals to 3 feet, because width of landing should be greater or equals to width of staircase. So offset it by 3 feet, enter. Now press L enter and join this and also join this and this to this. Now again for staircase of L shape, again offset by 10 inch this line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again L enter and join this. Join this line. Now this is top view. Now to convert this top view, this is 2D view. We have to click on this upper corner and this is isometric view. And now to convert this isometric view to 3D view, use the command trace pull, and this big box should be inside this rectangle and specify the height of riser. Suppose 6 inch, enter. Now this is transparent. To convert this into another view, just change this 2D wireframe to set it of gray. Now this is changed. Now similarly for another risers, press 1 feet 6 inch. Similarly for another risers, press 1 feet 1 feet 6 inch, 2 feet 2 feet 6 inch, 3 feet 3 feet 6 inch, 4 feet 4 feet 6 inch. Now orbit it using this and use scroll again. This is 5 feet. This is 5 feet 6 inch. This is 6 feet 6 feet 6 inch, and this 7 feet 7 feet 6 inch, and at last 8 feet 8 feet. Now you have to draw a line, pan it. Now Allen line. Now select this line, you select line and click on this arrow and offset it by 6 inch equal to height of riser. Enter. Now again Allen perpendicular, Allen click on this and off this and click on this. Now again select this line and click on this arrow and offset it by 6 inch. Enter. Now again draw a line, perpendicular. Now use command fillet, F for fillet. Enter. This line and this line. Now solid union, select the object. Enter. Again F for line and click on this and click on this perpendicular. Now to remove the extra portion we have to use again command the press pull, and now click on this surface and slide this right side and enter. And similarly click on this and right, sorry, click on this side and this in left side. Now this is the stair 3D view. Now copy this stair save copy and copy this and delete this whole portion. Delete. Now look, this is the our 3D staircase. Look, this is the 3D staircase. Where the riser height is 6 inch and tread height is 10 inch and width of landing is 3 feet equal to the width of staircase. I will add railings to this staircase in another video, so keep watching my videos and learn with us.